Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today I'm here in my Hyundai Tucson, and I want to address a small issue that I am facing, and I'm sure that a lot of you might face, because already I saw that some cars from Hyundai brand have a problem with this um, part. Let's call it like that. So what I'm facing currently is that when the handbrake or the parking brake it's activated, then here you don't see the icon with the exclamation mark in a circle. That means that identifies that you have your brakes on. And this is really, even though the handbrake is working fine, so no problem here, the computer is not detecting it, and it's not informing you that you have this handbrake or parking brake activated. And this is mainly really dangerous, because you can drive with your handbrake activated, and this will overheat the brake drums and might face some fire hazard, so be careful about that. So and the second issue is, in order to make some settings, change settings in your menu, you have to have your handbrake activated. So look here, edit setting after engaging parking brake. So I cannot change anything in my settings here due to this problem. And you can see here it's already up, and no indicator in the dashboard. Okay, so the problem is really simple to fix. There is a micro switch here on the handbrake, here somewhere here, and it's a simple switch that got corroded with time. There is already recall in service for Genesis cars, and I think Kia cars, and also for some Hyundai cars. But for Tucson is not there is not a service bulletin in place. So I will try to do it myself, even though this car has still has warranty. I will try to do it myself. Of course, the normal way would be to remove the whole center console, but this will be a huge hassle. I am a little bit lazy, therefore I will try to do it through here. Through here, it's a door. It's a small door that gives you access to the nut, which it's designated to shorten the wire in case this got a little bit loose. So if this gets loose, then here you have access to the nut which strengthens the wire. And through here, I think I should have access to the connector and make it wiggle it a little bit in order for the corrosion to go away. So as I told you, I'm lazy, so I cannot do this with only one hand and film it. You have to believe me on word. I will also try to show you at the computer how this mechanism looks like and where is located the micro switch. Okay, let's see if I manage to do it. All right, guys. So we are here at the computer, as I said. I tried to find a picture where you can see this handbrake mechanism. Actually, this is from a Sonata car, but nevertheless they are the same. So as you can see on the right side, or even if you are in England or another right side wheel drive, then you have it on the other side. But this is actually the micro switch that I was talking about. You have access with your hand from here, and just push it several times, or try with a contact cleaner to spray some contact cleaner here. These metallic parts get corroded, and yeah, with time they don't make contact anymore, and they consider that the handbrake or the parking brake it's always down, so it's not activated. Yeah, as I told you, there is already a recall for this in the US. I found it already. The parking brake indicator light, it's from 2017 June. This is the recall number 17V35900. As you can see here, exactly the micro switch is addressed. The parking brake is applied. The driver may operate the vehicle with the parking brake partially engaged, indicate the risk of a crash or even fire. So yeah, I hope I explain it clearly what you have to do. I will try to put my hand through here and push it several times, try to wiggle it a little bit just for the corrosion to disappear, and maybe spray some contact cleaner on this, and let's see if it's working. Okay, back. As you can see, we have here the indicator. Now it looks that it's working. We can also go in the menu, other features. Okay, see here. And to be honest, it was simple that I thought. You see already the door that I told you, it's here, and hopefully you can see it. Let's try to here zoom, and hopefully you can see it. It's so difficult here. Well, the micro switch is right here. Right here. You have access with your hand. It's located there. You only have to wiggle it a little bit. So you see the screw. On the left side of the screw is the micro switch. You only have to wiggle it a little bit, and then it will work. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and if you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.